Hey everyone, the sun is shining and I'm feeling good. But where's Sue? There's no sign of her.
Da-da-da. Hi friends, we're just about to start an Oh, hi Sammy, or my Melody.
Hey, were you gonna do this unboxing without me?
No, I was waiting until you arrived. Now we can open this cool Kawaii baggie. Oh, it's really exciting. I've got no idea what's inside though. It looks like we could have something super rare in here. What are we waiting for then? Let's cut it open. Oh, I love surprises so much. Here's the first blind baggie. What else is in there? Wow, there's so many of them. Look, Sammy.
Holy cannoli, that's a lot of gifts!
Yeah, let's open the common bag first, huh?
Sounds good!
Oh, I love this part. It's such a mystery. So, here we go. Wow, just check this out, Sammy. We've got a model. But I'm not sure about this look, though. I think she needs a makeover. Let's start with the hair. And how about a cool outfit? That always helps. It's a Kawaii girl. And this hat will really cap off the ensemble. She even has wings. Wait, is she a vampire? She looks so cute. So what's next? There's so many choices. Let's open the uncommon bag now. Snip, snip. Whoa, check this out. It's so soft and squishy. I could do this all day. But we've got a video to make. Is there something inside? No way, it's makeup! And I definitely love the colors. Oh, I just can't wait to try this out. We've got a makeup sponge and some lovely powder. This will make my cheekbones really stand out. I'm just kidding. It's a cool playset though.
Agreed. Let's open this bag next, Sue.
I think we can do that. It's a rare bag. Good choice. Time to open it up and get the goodies. This looks interesting. Hang on. I think it's a Roblox character. It looks like she's been on a scrap heap. But we can get her back to her former glory. I think this will look amazing on her. So chic and stylish. Let's add gloves or whatever these things are called. This outfit is gonna be so coordinated. Wow, this color looks great on you, sweetie. But my favorite color is pink. Don't tell Sam though. No outfit is complete without accessories. They make all the difference. So you're a music fan, huh? Well, you need headphones then. Oh, I'm so pleased with this look. You are gorgeous. Whoa, where did this come from?
It's called airmail, Sue. Now open it up!
Okay, Sammy, you can count on me. But let me check with the bag first. Oh, it's another common baggie. Oh, I get so nervous at this part. What will it be? Hey, this looks pretty fun. It's another squishy. That feels good. Oh, let's see what's on the other side. Look at these pictures. Wow. It's like watching a TV show. This just gets better and better, right? Someone's having a shower. They'll need some water then. We can't even take this little Kawaii out. She looks like she's up to mischief. It reminds me of someone else. I think we should change the channel. Make yourself comfortable. Why don't you have a tasty snack? Oh, that looks yummy. Oh, I'm jealous. Okay, that's enough. What else is on TV? I don't have a remote control, so I'll need to switch the images. Oh, we've already seen this one. I think someone needs some privacy. This is awkward. Oh, don't forget to flush. Phew, I think it's time to freshen up. Let's get you into a nice warm shower. Oh, the water's perfect. Remember to clean behind your ears, Kawaii. Okay, out you come. You need to dry off. I'm having the best time with this unboxing, honestly. But we've got more blind baggies to open. Although this TV set might be my favorite surprise so far. The next baggie is pink. And that means legendary. This is gonna be extra special. Out it comes. Whoa, it's a nail set. Awesome. I was just thinking of a manicure. And now, I don't even need to go to the salon. Oh, friends, I'm so lucky.
Oh, did someone say manicure? Oh, gimme!
Look at all this stuff. Unbelievable. So many cool surprises. Actually, friends, in case you didn't notice that, Sammy and I made all of this.
Oh, yeah!
Time to get to work. First, we need to sketch our wonderful models. I drew them in pencil, and now I'll go over them with a black pen. This'll really help them stand out. It's what every model wants, right? You know, I really like this hat. It's cute. And we can't forget about the wings. They really finish off the outfit. Now we need to add some color.
Ta-da! Way ahead of you, Sue!
Oh, thanks, Sammy. I knew I could count on you. I'll also add some details to the model, like a happy smile. These eyebrows are on point. Wow! Almost done there. Now I can move on to her hair. Let's start with some pink highlights. Oh, I feel like a fashion designer. Now, I'll lay a plastic film over the paper to make our paper elements more durable. And voila!
I've made my own designs. I'm the Coco Chanel of the unboxing world.
Oh, these look great, Sammy. You have a real talent. I mean, what would I do without you? I just need to color them in. Sam did all the hard work, so it won't take too long.
Oh, my beautiful hair, it's gone! Oh, this is embarrassing!
Hey, want some distraction, Sammy?
Really? Wow, give me a moment! Here you go, Sue! All done!
Excellent work. Even I couldn't have done it better. Let me just trace around the shape. Oh, this is gonna be our makeup sponge. Now I need to join the pieces together. Let's grab some trusty tape, and here goes the stuffing. This'll make our makeup sponge nice and soft. Let's try this out. Oh, that's just what I wanted. But there's no time to relax. We've got another squishy to make. It looks good and feels good. Oh, I can do this forever. Okay, this is the tricky part. One slip and it's all over. But I managed. Now let's stick this to a piece of cardboard and work on a label. The next part is pretty simple. Just wrap some cardboard around the edge and insert our little makeup. And now I can add the cover. It'll keep everything safe. The strip of cardboard will hold it in place. Here we go. And just like that, our makeup case is complete. What's next, Sammy?
I was thinking we could do the Roblox model now. Pretty please! I love it so much!
I nearly forgot about it. Great idea!
Now I've got brains and beauty!
Oh, look, friends. Sam sketched everything out for me. I just have to add the color. This should be easy and pretty much fast.
Sam is here to help. I'm a wizard with a pen.
Wow, you really are, Sammy. I'm impressed. Now we have to color in the hairband and headphones. Hop!
Ew, this is heavy. I should have been working out.
Sammy, I've got this.
I need a protein shake.
And I need to work on the outlines.
This calls for Sammy's magic. Check this out. I have no idea how I did that.
You're not the only one with a trick up their sleeves. Whoosh!
Sorcery or just creative editing. I'm not complaining about either. Here you go, Sue. Do I have something on my head? Oh.
Thanks for everything. You're such a good helper. This'll be the TV set. I'll tape the pieces together. And here's the water on the back of this image that can be pulled off. It's like a little pocket, right? Then we need to put it all together. Here's how to make the sides of the box. Oh, this looks amazing. Here goes the front part. Oh, I've never seen a TV with bat ears before. This handle makes it so easy to carry. Great! And the finishing touch, our little Kuromi.
Is it done? What about the nails part, Sue? Did I miss it?
Don't worry, Sam, they're right here. We just need to color them.
Manicure for everyone! Yippee! Wow, what a day!
Yeah, I had such a great time. Subscribe and press the like button. See you around, everyone!